Ready to supercharge your Wati credibility with that coveted blue checkmark? Let's dive in. First, Eligibility Wati, like other platforms, prioritizes accounts that are authentic, unique, complete, and notable. Authenticity means proving you are who you say you are, whether an individual or a registered business. Uniqueness dictates that you're the only Wati account representing your brand. Completeness involves having a fully filled out profile with a profile picture, bio, and website. Finally, notability hinges on your brand's presence in news articles, industry recognition, or strong social media engagement. Before applying, boost your chances, secure press mentions, guest post on relevant blogs, and actively engage with your audience on other social media platforms. Demonstrating a strong online presence validates your notability. Now, the application. While Wati's exact verification process can evolve, look for a verification request option within your Wati account settings, typically under Profile or Account Information. You'll need to provide documentation to prove your identity and notability. This usually includes a government ID or business registration documents, along with links to credible news articles or relevant media coverage. Be patient. Verification can take time. Wati reviews each application thoroughly. In the meantime, continue building your brand presence and engaging with your audience. Once verified, flaunt that blue badge. It instantly boosts trust and credibility with potential customers. Feature prominently in your marketing materials and across your online presence. Remember, the blue tick is a symbol of authenticity, so maintain high standards in your communications. And that's how you unlock the blue tick on Wati. By focusing on authenticity, notability, and a little patience, you'll be well on your way to enhance brand recognition and trust. Good luck.